Today is day 5 of bird feeding, and the sun is really strong today. In this heat, we can easily find food and water. But for these little birds, every day is a struggle. A small bowl of water, a little bit of food, can mean everything to them. If you see birds around your home, please take a moment to help them. Your small kindness could save a life. If you liked this small effort, please like this video, share it with others, and for more positive content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow with bird feeding day 6.